Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life Unscripted. So today we are taking you to the serene coastal town of Varkala, located in Kerala, which is famous for its stunning cliffs and beautiful beaches. Varkala is one of the perfect gateway if you are looking for a peaceful escape from your daily city life. The journey began from Bangalore. We caught up the train from Puram at 8:10 p.m. and reached Varkala around 11 a.m. on the next day. The round trip cost us 6,880 rupees for three people. So at the station, our tempo traveler was waiting for us. After a short ride, we reached the hotel Krishnathiram, ready to enjoy the beautiful beauty of Varkala. This trip cost us around 20 to 25k per family, and it was totally worth it. Varkala is such a lively place with the beautiful beaches, amazing food. It made the journey even more fun. This is my first attempt at including voice and making a proper vlog. So if there are any mistakes, please bear with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel stories. See you in the next one.